Hello friends, this is Ganesh Naik. I help finance professionals and students to excel in their career and become a better version of themselves. And I also help students appearing for FRM CFA exams to clear their exam in the first attempt. And this video is a part of the series Ask Ganesh, where you can ask your queries on the comment section, and I'll be taking those queries as a part of the video and answering that. Now over here, one of the student has asked, Prasad has asked to Vivan, who's been able to clear the FRM Level 2 exam, okay, and he's asking privately whether the current issues that they get in the exam, the current issue concept, whether they are easy or difficult, whether they are straightforward or not. Okay, so answering to that query, primarily the major focus of the institute while giving the question, difficulty level of the question for level 2 is on the market risk, credit risk, and to a certain extent the liquidity risk. Okay, when we talk about the current issues, okay, the current issues occupies very small component of the entire 80 question that you get, but in terms of difficulty you can expect that around 80% is what going to be easy, around 20% is going to be slightly tough. Okay, and when we say that, okay, they would definitely focus on the difficult content from those concepts which are relevant or very newly added. They try to add those difficult questions from those content itself. When we say 80% is going to be simple, it doesn't mean it is going to be straightforward from the book. Obviously, they will give you slight variation, but it's not going to be very tough. If you have read the Schweitzer textbook itself twice for current issues, you should be able to cover the 80% of the question from the current issues itself. And the rest 20% you might need to read the question again. You might have to do some optional elimination, and that is what I have seen for the past few exams. Okay, one more challenge which a lot of students who go for the current issues content face is that since the current issue is changed every single year, okay, you will not find more number of questions, specific questions coming for these topics. Okay, so that is one more challenge, that you cannot practice a lot of questions for that content. You cannot become comfortable with that content. So that challenge also you will be able to see in the exam. Okay, when you're going for the exam, okay, you might have, because you have not solved a huge amount of question, you might find the question slightly tricky. Okay, that is one of the reasons. So I've been able to answer the query which Prasad has raised. In case anybody else, any of the student has any query with respect to the exam, FRM CFA regarding finance also, I would like to create a small short video so that can help you to address the query. If you have such query, put it on the comment section, mention Ask Ganesh, and also do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, because whenever I come up with new video, you will come to know as a notification when that comes. Okay, thank you very much for joining in.